Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Grade 4. This is your maths lecture and we are at exercise 7C. Open page number 181. Today we will do question number 10 on book. Question 10 is measure the angles with help of protractor. So I will teach you today how to see the protractor. Now see, this is 90 degree, the straight line. Line goes from downward to upward is 90 degree. And this line, this straight line goes to 180 in both sides. So this straight line is 180 degree. Now if you put your protractor at this vertex like this, you will read the upward reading. Okay, there are two readings. Which one will you read? Your line goes here, as you can see from BC. So it goes here at this side. So you will read this side 0. Okay. So you will start reading from this 0 to upward. But if you put your protractor on this vertex, so your line goes on that side. Okay. You can see the arrow on that side. So you will read this 0. Okay, the downward reading. So wherever your line goes, you will read that side readings. Or in simple words, if you put your protractor at vertex A, you will read downward reading. And if you put it at vertex B, you will read upward reading. Now how to put your protractor? See this dot on your protractor. You have to put this dot at your vertex and the straight line of 180 at your angle line. Now put this dot at your vertex B and line on line. This like this. If your line is not on line like this, so this will not be correct. If your point is not on vertex, it will also be not correct. So put your point on vertex B and line on line. Your line BC should be hidden with your protractor straight line. Understand? So you put it at vertex B and your line BC goes at this side. So you will read this side 0. Okay, you will read upward reading 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. So your arrow, look at your arrow at A. Your arrow goes to reading 40. So this is 40 degree angle. Write it here 40 degree. Now see part B. Place your protractor dot on vertex F and line on line FG like this. Clear? Now see where your arrow goes. Your arrow of FE, it goes to 30. Okay, so it is 30 degree. As FG line goes on this side, so you will read this side 0. Okay, and the line arrow E shows 30 degree. So write it 30 degree. Now turn your page 182. Question number 11. Look at the protractors and write down the angles. So as you can see, your protractor is at vertex E and line is on EG. So where is the other arrow shows? EF. It's on angle 80. Clear? So write it 80 degree. Now in figure B, arrow goes here. HI at this side. So you will read this side 0 reading. Start from 0 and your arm HG shows digits between 10 and 20 and it's on 15. So arm HG points out 15-degree reading. Now for option C, just turn your book in this way. Okay. Now see, this is the baseline. Your arrow goes this side. So KJ arm goes this side. So we will start reading from this 0, upward reading. And your arm KL shows the reading between 40 and 50. So this is 45. So this angle is 45-degree. Now question 12. Measure the following obtuse angles. As they have told you that this is obtuse angle greater than 90. So I will place my protector point on vertex B and protector line on arm BC. Now where does AB arm goes? It between 40 and 50. As you can see it. So it's 45. But it's not. As I told you, your line, your arm goes on this side. BC arm goes this side. So we will start reading from this 0. So start reading from this 0 and go till where the arrow goes. Where is the AB? It's on 140-degree. So do you get it? We are reading downward reading. Okay. The downward scale. So we start reading from this 0 and goes where the arm goes. And you can see AB arrow point out to 140-degree. So don't confuse yourself that it is 40. This is not 40. This is 140. Because we have start reading our reading from the lower scale. Okay, we are at our lower scale. Now put your protector at vertex T, from where you will start reading. TS line goes this way, so we will read the upward scale and we will read it where the arrow goes. And where does this goes? It is almost 150. This is the arrow TU and it is 150. Now at option C, place your protector at vertex Y and start reading from this side, from downward scale. So where does the arm YX go? It is 150 as we are on downward scale. So write as 150-degree. Now similarly solve question 13. Place your protector here. Now where does the BC line goes? Between 40 and 50. So it is 45. Where the BD lines goes? It's 60-degree. Where BE line goes, it's 90-degree. And where BF goes, it's greater than 90. So it's 120-degree. So ABF is 120-degree. Now if they say CBE. So in CBE, make BE your baseline and put your protector in this way. So where does the BC line goes? It's 45-degree. So next is DBF. So make BF your baseline. Now where BD goes, it's 60-degree. Now solve these questions on your book and do practice. If I ask you to draw an angle from protector of, let's suppose, 45-degree, you can draw it on any vertex. Try to draw it on vertex A always. So place your protector like this, dot on dot and line on line. Okay, so at vertex A we will use the lower scale. So where is 45? So 45 is between 40 and 50. As this is 40 line, 41, 42, 43, 44 and 45. So draw a dot here at 45. Now place your scale and join this dot with vertex A like this. So this is angle 45. So I hope you understand how we use protractor and draw angles. Do practice. Take care. Allah Hafiz.